control is something that downstream will inspire trust in data. So if we control things that are happening in our data, quality checks that we're doing with our data, the users that are ultimately consuming it will naturally trust it more in terms of that this is a governed process and actually has values that make sense for the business. There's probably always more you can do to control your data. I think naturally, in the past few years, there's been a lot about speed and agility and getting to things quickly, and I think that has taken away probably from the emphasis on quality and control of data. So there's like this ebb and flow between governance and self-service. We want things fast, we want to do things ourselves, but also that can create like a wild, wild west of data, right? And it's not controlled. Probably most companies, there's truly a lack in understanding where things are coming from, and I think that's why you see, X amount of tools, right, that can help you do this, is because clearly there's a demand and a need for end users to understand where their data sits, where it's coming from, what it means. Technology is only one part of that. I think technology's come a long way and can get us to insights a lot faster and make our jobs easier, but it comes down to like people and process. Like if you don't have all of those pillars in terms of processes for how we check, balance checks, how we iterate, people in place to have accountability and ownership, then the technology itself, won't do everything. It's not going to solve the world. So Rivery is a SaaS ELT platform. So basically the foundation of our product is building really any kind of data pipeline. So to bring data in to like a centralized data warehouse, to orchestrate and transform the data there, and then also to kind of kick data back out, or what's called like reverse ETL now, back into operational systems. And all of this is orchestrated, can be orchestrated in single workflows. So the idea is that in one place you can get a lot done, and since it's all kind of in one platform, that control can be like maintained throughout. It's my first time ever here. I think it's also the first event since like post-pandemic, so I think it's been like a shock to the system in a good way of kind of seeing everyone out here and like super enthusiastic about vendors, about data in general. So it's been busy, but really good.